so much money. I'm not trying to brag. What should I do with it? I have an idea. Let's go to the fidget store. Let's go. I have to put it back. Though. I don't know if that was like. Okay. I'll zip up. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god, there's a hoverboard. I don't know if you see that, but hoverboard. Alright. It's gonna be a long time to get there. Holy moly. We're here. There's the fidget store. Welcome to the fidget store. Alright. This is already popped. I think somebody came in here earlier, but it's fine. Anyway, that we're already here. Oh my god, this is a really cute scrunchie. Oh, I can wear it. I'm gonna buy it, even though it's not a fidget. It's real cute. So let's buy it. Just gonna set it right there. And let's see the poppets. Go to the first row. Wow, this poppet is amazing. I don't know why I said this pop is amazing before I even touched it, but it's fine. And it has really good sides. Okay, that is really good. Outside. The quiet side is pretty bad. On the outside, quiet side. It's like in the loud side it's pretty loud. It's flimsy a bit, but it's fine. Next one. Okay, not bad. Whoa. Yeah, I'm definitely buying this one. Okay, let's organize it anyway. Okay, next row. Monkey noodles. I'm gonna take the blue one. Right there. Okay, mochis. They're very dirty because I don't even know. They get dirty very easily. Acupressure rings. Oh, what the heck is this? I think somebody was playing with some slime. And then they just got it all over it. A bike chain. Oh my gosh. I'm going to buy it. Slime. Let's touch the slime real quick, if I can open it. Okay. Whoa, this feels really nice. Take it out if I can. I can't take it out. Okay, there it is. It's pretty sticky, if you have to say so myself. And also, it's pretty hard. Yeah. Okay. It's not that stretchy as it says. Right there. But it's fine. I'm not gonna buy that. Oh, make some noise. Ah, so hard to take out. Or put it back in and take out. Let's just put that there. Bubblegum, neon. Yeah. Okay, this one was a bit easier to open. Whoa, this is pretty good. Let's see if it smells like it. Okay, not bad, not bad. Right, let's see if it's stretching. What this says. I don't even. Yeah, there it is. It says right there. Or no, that's not it. I didn't even know where it is. It said it right here somewhere, but I don't have that much time. I can't get this out. Okay. Well. Okay. Oh my god, this is amazing. Way better. I think I'm gonna buy this one. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay. So there you go. What is this? Is this jiggly slime too? That's cool. I'm not gonna buy that one though. Okay, let's go try this. Wait, what is this? It's like, oh, it's a DLA Simple Dimple. It's like a cap, but it's like a little too. I like this. I'm gonna buy this one. Oh, let's see about this. I'll buy this too. Even has a keychain. Okay. Keychain. Pronounce words wrong. Well, this one looks lighter and it has a clear ball. So we're just gonna put it there. Okay. And one water bottle stress ball. Okay, not bad. A little crunchy. These two are more crunchy. This one is more clear, and so we're just gonna play that one. Oh, giant stress ball. And a Neato, a glowy Neato. Or I don't even know what that is, but it's this flat ball. It's a little, the eye and tongue came out. Oh, pineapple. I'm gonna buy this one. Put it right there. I know I said I was gonna organize, but whatever. It's fine. Well, I'm kind of organizing now, but it still looks pretty bad, so I'm just going to keep it like that way. Okay, there's a wacky track. Made like a snapper made out of a wacky track. Try the next one. I'll go with the blue and orange. Okay, let's put it right there. Tangle, oh my god. Wait a minute. There's pieces ripped off. Look. See? Whatever. And no, we're not buying Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube are so expensive, and they're for nothing. Literally for nothing, just for sloppy, of course. So, let's go to the checkout. Okay. For sure that this is it. Is the camera facing up and camera facing down. So let's just use the scanner. Okay. First we're gonna scan that one. Beep. Okay. First one down. Beep. Okay, second one down. Beep. Third one down. Beep. Fourth one down. Beep. Oh, made into an S. Fifth one down, I think. Fifth one. Beep. Sixth one down. Beep. Seventh one down. Beep. Eighth one down. Beep. Ninth one down. Where is the tag? Where is it? Okay, here it is. Beep.